Congratulations, you've received a hotel savings card that gives you cash credits to save you money on your next getaway. The savings cards can be used at over 1 million hotels in thousands of destinations all around the world. And you can convert the card currency to your local country and language. They have no blackout dates, no timeshare presentations to attend, and absolutely no hoops to jump through. Let me show you how easy it is to save using your hotel savings card. Once you activate the card, you'll be given access to exclusive rates on over 1 million hotels, car rentals, activities, and much more. You'll be able to save up to the amount given to you on one hotel booking, or a balance of cash credits will be available to you if you're not able to apply the entire savings to one booking. Let's do an example to show you how easy and powerful the hotel savings card is. In the top left, you'll see you have a $200 savings balance that can be used on over 1 million hotels. You also have access to thousands of car rentals, activities, and more, which are already discounted. Let's just take an example of a one-night stay in New York City on November 9th. Here you see a list of 640 hotels available for that date with various levels of savings. For instance, the New York Hilton Midtown is 52% less than the retail rate. The public price or retail rate of this hotel is $589. As you can see, we have this awesome Compare Public Prices tool that shows you the exact retail rate of all the major sites, saving you large amounts of time researching if you receive the best deal or not. Book VIP Plus ensures you'll never pay retail again. Our wholesale prices are guaranteed to be below Expedia, Trivago, and all other online travel sites. Here, you'll be able to apply the full balance of a $200 hotel savings card. Your price is only $360, $200 less than you'll find anywhere else on the internet. Also, all of our pricing includes taxes and there are no hidden fees. The available savings will vary by hotel and selected dates. If the entire cash credits are not available for one booking, you'll have a balance in your account for your next getaway. Let's do one more example. We'll pick Las Vegas, Nevada one night for February 10th. Here, the Venetian Resort is 65% below the retail rate, and with a $200 hotel savings card applied, it's only $135. Our price is $200 less than any other travel site. The best part of the hotel savings card is you will always have the option to pay less than the public rate for a hotel stay. Additionally, you can see on the right side opportunities where you can save even more money. This is the real beauty and essence of the program. You'll notice for the New York Hilton Midtown, there's an opportunity to save even more on just the one night. So when you book multiple nights, your savings can become substantial. Once you use the balance on your savings card, you'll be able to join Book VIP Plus to continue to get travel agent rates on all your future travel. Book VIP Plus is like Sam's Club or Costco, but better because we offer our members wholesale rates with zero retail markup. You can join Book VIP Plus for only $19.99 monthly or $199 annually for a lifetime of wholesale savings on an unlimited amount of hotel reservations, car rentals, activities, and much more. So what are you waiting for? Start using your savings card today and be a part of the movement to revolutionize the travel industry.